Hello children, I am Pratima. I am taking the 5th standard science subject. So today we will start the unit 1. In unit 1, that is the first chapter. What is that? Growing a new plants. Growing a new plants. We will start with this chapter. In this chapter you will study how the plant will grows, as well as the what is the plant reproduction, and about the seeds and about the seed structure. All those things we study in this chapter. So open your textbook, first page number 3. Everyone open the page number 3. In that they given here some seeds different of a different colors. So you have to identify these seeds and you have to write their name in the given box. Understood everyone? So first one is, what is this? This is everyone listen here properly. So this one is a corn. Next one is here red kidney beans. So corn is nothing but a mekkejola. Next one is a red kidney beans is nothing but a alsandi kalu. Next one is grams here, watani kalu. Okay. Next one is here, what it is? Groundnut peas, groundnuts or else the peanuts. Shenga kalu anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Next one is a cashew nuts. It is a godambi. You will eat in the morning. This is a very healthy food. It gives a more energy for our body. Next one is a almond. This is also healthy food. Okay. Almond is nothing but a badami. Okay. Badam anta karitare. Next one is cardamom. Okay. Cardamom is nothing but a alakki. Next one is beans. Beans is nothing but a what? Like a watani kalu only. Watani kalu idella palle ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ತಿಂದಿರಬೇಕು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so this is called as the beans. Next one is a black pepper. Black pepper is what? ಸಾಸ್ವಿ ಕಾಳು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಗೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾಸ್ವಿ ಕಾಳು, ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. So this is a black pepper. You will see many seeds which you are eating daily as a food. So why do you think whether the plants will grow by only seeds? Do you think whether the plants will grow by the only seeds? Some will say yes, some will say no. So of course it is a no, because the plants will grow by the seeds. Plants will grow by the seeds, stem, next the roots, as well as the leaves. Some plants will grow by the seeds, some plants grow by the stem, some plants grown by the roots, and some plants grown by the leaves. Understood? So next we study the plant reproduction. What do you mean by plant reproduction? What do you mean by the plant reproduction? Whether you heard the word reproduction word? Some people you heard, I think. Plant reproduction. Plant reproduction. In a reproduction there are two main categories are there. First one is a plant reproduction, second one is a animal reproduction. But for your syllabus they will not given a animal reproduction. Animal reproduction will come for the higher classes. So now we will study the plant reproduction. What do you mean by plant reproduction? Plant reproduction is nothing but it is a process of growing a new plant. Process of the growing a new plant is called plant reproduction. Process of growing a new plant is called as the plant reproduction. Understood everyone? Definition. What do you mean by plant reproduction? The process of growing a new plant, that is called as the plant reproduction. Plant reproduction is nothing but the process of growing a new plant is called as the plant reproduction. Understood? So, in a plant reproduction, there are two main categories are there. Categories is nothing but the types. There are two main types are there. In a plant reproduction, there are two main types. First one is sexual reproduction. First one is a sexual reproduction. Second one is a vegetative reproduction. So first one is a sexual reproduction. Second one is a vegetative reproduction. Plant reproduction, you understood the definition. In that plant reproduction, there are two types. First one is a sexual reproduction. Second one is a vegetative reproduction or a propagation. Both are same. What do you mean by sexual reproduction? First, please study. What do you mean by sexual reproduction? First one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is nothing but the growing of plants by the seeds. Okay. What do you mean by sexual reproduction? Growing of plants by the seeds. If that plant is grown by the seeds, then we call as it's a sexual reproduction. Understood everyone? What do you mean by sexual reproduction? If the plant is grown by the seeds, then it is called as the sexual reproduction. Understood everyone? So, sexual reproduction is nothing but the growing of plants by the seeds. It is called as the sexual reproduction. Where the seeds are found? Think. Where the seeds are found? Seeds ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Of course, it is a fruits. It is in a fruits. We know that. So, seeds are found in a fruits. Again, fruits are formed by the flowers. Flowers are formed by the trees. So, the plant will give the many seeds, but all the seeds will not grow as the tree. Why? The plant will give many seeds. Plant will give many seeds, but all seeds not grow as a plant. Why? Plant will give many seeds, but all seeds not grow as a plant. All seeds not grow as a plant. Why? See here, when we take that seed and plant it in the soil. Okay? But some of the seeds are eaten by the what? Animals and the birds. Some seeds are eaten by the animals and birds. So in that some seeds are destroyed there. Okay. So again some seeds will not get the proper sunlight as well as the air. That's why they are not able to grow as a plant. Again some seeds destroyed. Right. So here I'll give one circle here. So these are all are the seeds. Assume. Here all seeds are there. Here some part are eaten by the animals or birds. Here, this part is, wait, I think you are not able to see here. I'll draw here. Okay. So here many seeds are, we planted many seeds in the soil. Assume here seeds are there. Okay. Some of the part, this is eaten by animals and birds. And again some part in habitat. Here seeds are will not get a proper sunlight and rain and air. Okay. So only some part will grow as a plant. Understood everyone? So plant will give a many seeds, but all seeds not grow as a plant. How? We will take some seeds and planted in a soil. Okay. So some seeds are eaten by the animals as well as the birds. Okay. And again some seeds will not get the proper sunlight as well as the rain and air. That's why they are unable to grow as a plant. Next, we left with the only small part of some seeds are there. So this will grow as a plant. That's why not all the seeds grow as a plant. Some of them will destroy in the soil only. They will not grow as a plant. Understood everyone? So this is a sexual reproduction. In a sexual reproduction is nothing but the growing of plants by the seeds. That is called as the sexual reproduction. Now we move on to the vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. What do you mean by vegetative reproduction? Vegetative reproduction is nothing but the growing of plants, by root, stem and leaves. If the plant is grown by the root, stem as well as the leaves. If the plant is grown by the root, stem, leaves, then it is called as the vegetative reproduction or a vegetative propagation. Understood everyone? So, what do you mean by vegetative reproduction? The growing of a plants by the root, stem, leaves. If the plant is grown by the root, stem, leaves, then it is called as the vegetative reproduction. Okay, we'll study one by one now. That is, first we'll study a growing of plants from the stem. Growing of plants by the stem, or else write from the stem. Okay, both are correct here. Growing the plants from the stem or by the stem. You know, right? What the flowers, almost all flowering plants grown from the stem. You saw rose plant. Okay, take that stem and plant it in a soil. Okay, then it will, after 3 or 4 days, it will grow. So, growing the plants from the, by the growing of plants from the stem or a growing a plants by the stem. Both are correct. So examples are the here rose plant and hibiscus. Okay, so these are the example hibiscus as well as the rose. Next one is the bougainvillea and the one flower button. Okay, so that is also growing the plants by the stem only. And observe here properly. They given here diagrams in textbook page number 5. See here the process of growing a plants through the stem cuttings here. They given here. This is a rose plant. Observing everyone, this is a rose plant and here they are cutting the stem part. After that again they planted. So again it is growing as a new plant. So this is the process of growing a plant by the stem. Understood everyone? So because they have a buds in their stem, that's why they will grow as a new plant. Next one we'll see the growing a plants growing a plants from the root. Growing a plants from the root. See here in your textbook they given again here sweet potato is there. Next one is the radish is there. Here carrot is there. Understood everyone? One more thing is there in a growing plants from the stem. Listen here, this figure also see, this is also example for the growing plants by from the stem only. Means potato, ginger, onion. These are the underground stems. These are the underground stems because we cannot see on that soil because these are inside the soil. Okay, these are also example of the stems only. The plants which are grown by the stems. So these are the example potato, ginger, onion. Potato means alugate. Alugate ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋ ತರ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. So that is called as the buds. Next one is also ginger. Ginger is nothing but alla. Alla anta iruttalla adu. Okay. Next one is here onion. Onion is nothing but ಉಳ್ಳಾಗಡ್ಡೆ. ಉಳ್ಳಾಗಡ್ಡೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೊಳಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಮನೇಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ ನೀವು. So this is also example of for the growing the plants from the stem. Next one we are seeing the growing the plants from the root. So here see her examples. Sweet potato is there, radish is there. Next one is the carrot is there. Okay, so these are the example for the growing the plants from the roots. Radish and a sweet potato. Sweet potato meaning ಗೆಣಸು. ಗೆಣಸು ತಿಂದಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪೊಟಾಟೋ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಗೆಣಸು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ carrot. Carrot everyone eat a carrot, right? Carrot is nothing but a gajri. Okay, so these are the examples for the growing the plants from the root. And again they given one more example as a dalia as well as the turnip. Turnip is nothing but navilli ಕೋಸು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೇಳಿದಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು. ನವಿಲು ಕೋಸು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಲಿಯಾ. ದಲಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ figure. Okay, so it is in a pink color. So these are also example for the growing a plant from the root. Next one is growing a plants through the leaves. Growing a plants through the from the What are the examples for the growing plants? What are the examples of the, because new plants can also grow from the leaves, because leaves of a bryophyllum plant have a buds on the margin of the leaf. That's why new plants grow from the buds. See here, in a leaf, this is a one leaf. Okay, so here is a bryophyllum is a present in the leaf always. It is in the margin of the leaf. Okay, so that in bryophyllum again there are a presence of the buds. Okay, that's why it will grows as the new plant. From that blood the new plant will be grown. Okay, so growing of a plant from the leaves is like this. Again they given here one activity for you people. Science is a fun. So take here growing a page number 6. Science is a fun. Growing a sweet potato or a beet or a carrot plant from the root here. Okay. Take one sweet potato or a carrot. Everyone you have in your home, everyone have a carrot, right? Carrot plant. So materials needed are sweet potato or a small jar of the water. Take a sweet potato and a small jar. Small jar is nothing but a like this. Okay, jug anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. Okay, so next one is keep that sweet potato in a jar of water as shown in the figure. The given in figure here, like that you have to put that sweet potato in that jar and you have to pour the water on that jug. Okay, so next keep it for a 2 or a 3 days. Okay, so what we will observe here, you will see the bunches of leaves on that top of the sweet potato. Sweet potato ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ small ಎಲೆಸ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆ. Okay, leaves ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So you will see, you are able to see that leaves after a 3 or a 4 days you will able to see. That is nothing but a plant is growing from the what? Sweet potato is example for the root. Okay, so the plant will growing from the root. That is the example for that one. That is a activity you have to do it in your home. Next one is a knowledge tree. Knowledge tree, everyone see here knowledge tree. New plants can also be grown from the spores. What do you mean by spores? What do you mean by spores? Spores is nothing but a small holes ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹೌದಾ? That things are called as the spores. So some lower plants such as the moss. Moss is nothing but a ಪಾಚಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಚಿ, that things are grown by the spores only. Okay, so they will never plant that trees, right? They only grow because of that presence of a spores. They will grow as a new plant. So that is the knowledge tree. Next one is seed. So seeds are important for the plant reproduction. Seeds are important for the plant reproduction. So we will learn that in a next class. Otherwise you will not understand. So what are the things we studied in this class? First one is a growing of plants. The plants are grown by the all the, not only by the seeds, it is also grown by the roots, stem, leaves as well as the spores. Okay, so in next we studied a plant reproduction. In a plant reproduction, what are the things are there? You understand the definition, right? The process of growing a new plant is called as the plant reproduction. In a plant reproduction, there are two categories. First one is the sexual reproduction. Second one is a what? Vegetative reproduction. In sexual reproduction is nothing but what? The growing of plants by the seeds, that is called as the sexual reproduction. Next one is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is nothing but the growing of a plants by the stem, root as well as the leaves. That things are called as the vegetative reproduction or a vegetative propagation. And in the sexual reproduction, you understand the how it will form. Understood, right? So that is the explanation about the sexual reproduction. Next, growing of a plants by the stem, growing of a plants by the root, growing of a plants from the leaves. All those things you already studied with the examples, and I hope everyone understood that. I give a homework for you people, that is, see here, open page number 3. Open page number 3. Collect the different type of seeds. HWEs. Collect the different types of seeds and stick on the sheet. Next homework is page number 4. Page number 4. Write the plant reproduction and their types. Okay. Means you have to write this chart. I am showing you people this plant reproduction, sexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction. Again in a vegetative reproduction, root, stem as well as the leaves are there. Okay. So this chart you have to write it as a homework. This is also homework. Collect the different types of seeds and stick on the sheet, and you have to write their names below that seeds. Okay, like this. They make here one box right here. Like that you have to do it in a sheet. Take a A4 size sheet or else the card sheet. Whatever you want to take, that one you have to take and do it as a homework. And this is also homework. So I hope you understand about the sexual reproduction as well as the vegetative reproduction. Next we'll continue the seeds and the seed structure, how the seed structure is there, and again there are two many categories are there. We will study all those things in the next class. Understood, right everyone? This is the homework. Please note down and do it in your HW. You have to make a 2 notebooks for a science subject. One is a CW as well as the second one is the HW. In CW you have to write all the question answers. After the lesson you have question answers, right? That you have, that part you have to write it in a CW, and whatever I am giving a homework, that is you have to do it in a HW. And if you want to make a notes that what I am writing on the board, you want to write it, then you have to write it in a HW only. Don't write it in a CW. Okay. So this is a HW. Do it in a HW notebook. Understood everyone? Thank you everyone. Be safe and be healthy in your home, and don't go outside and study properly. Okay. Please concentrate about your studies. You have to study with the corona only. Okay. Don't think here whatever here is a corona and why we have to study. Don't think like that. Please concentrate on your studies, because it's your future. Your future you only decide. Thank you. Where is stop here?